This fantastic 5-bedroom, 4-bath home is a rare opportunity in a prime location near Andy Woods Elementary. The spacious kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring custom cabinetry, a large peninsula with granite countertops, double ovens, a gas cooktop, a warming drawer, a sliding microwave, and built-in refrigerator and freezer. The adjoining breakfast area includes a wet bar with a sink, ice maker, and refrigerator drawers, perfect for entertaining. The formal living and dining combo plus a separate den with built-ins, a cozy fireplace, and a vaulted ceiling, all open to the kitchen for seamless flow. Plantation shutters add elegance throughout the home, while the laundry room offers convenience with a sink, storage, and backyard access. The 5th bedroom upstairs comes complete with its own full bath, closet, and mini-split AC and heat system, providing a private retreat. The primary bedroom includes an ensuite bath and walk-in closet, while other bedrooms feature built-ins for extra storage. The inviting front porch and expansive outdoor living space, with an extended patio and beautiful landscaping, make this home ideal for outdoor gatherings. Additional features include a storage building and a brand new roof, ensuring this home is move-in ready. Don't miss this fantastic opportunity in a convenient and desirable location. Come see. Come by.